Welcome to 03 Communications Technical Training Series, where we will show you how you can make changes to your phone system. As you can see here, we are currently on the Phone Systems login page. If you don't have access to this or you don't have an login account, please contact us here at 03 Communications. Once you have logged into the phone system with your login details, you will be able to see the home page. All phone system programming is done under the Programming section, and then System Data. Once you have clicked on System Data, you will be able to see all the different memory blocks listed on the side.
Today, we embark on a tutorial guiding you through the intricate process of updating memory block 2204. Dedicated to managing the incoming ring group within the NEC phone system. Firstly, let's navigate together to memory block 2204. This will grant us access to the incoming ring group page, the control center for directing incoming calls to specific extensions. Imagine a scenario. Your site's main number, currently set to ring extensions 100 and 101. Now, let's say you wish to enhance this setup by adding extension 102, introducing a delayed ring of 5 seconds for extension 103, and removing extension 101 from the ring group. Let's see how to make these changes step by step. After making the desired adjustments, don't forget to click the Apply button located in the top right corner. This ensures that your modifications are saved and take effect immediately. And remember, as with any changes made, it's crucial to log out of the phone system properly. Simply click on Home in the top right corner, then select Log Out. In essence, this tutorial serves as your guide to efficiently manage the incoming ring group within the NEC phone system. This concludes the comprehensive tutorial on making incoming ring group changes to the NEC phone system.